Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
It's so cute. It don't make no type of sense how these are so cute. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Hi guys. Oh, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back today with a lash video. I'm excited because I think you guys liked my lash videos from before, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna make more because I like doing them as well. I think they're quite fun to just try on a different look and see, you know, what it comes out to be. Especially, I'm getting onto this whole new wave because we gotta wear a mask a lot still, and I'm getting onto the wave of getting the brows looking good and the good big old full lashes and going about my way and some gloss underneath the mask. That's the look. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Oh my God, we're gonna be talking about the new Kiss Alert. Before I get into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. Let's get on to the try on. I'm excited. And it says about the lashes that they're reusable up to 10 times with special care. We're doing more than that. It's knot free, lash band, weightless volume and curls, soft and seamless. The smart, humane choice. So they are mink effect, so I assume they're faux mink. They have multiple lengths, cuts, and angles. They do retail for $6.97 at your local Walmart. End up being around like 25 bucks for all the 4 pairs. So this is the style Glam. I think she's cute. Let's see, are they fluffy? Now these are quite fluffy. I do like that these are more silky and soft. I do like that feeling of it. Now the band, is the band hard all? No. Is it sturdy? Yes. So this band is not stiff. It is more flexible when you get the band uncurled because you know it gets out that really curl on that little frame. But this style, I don't mind this style. I like the feathering and I like the soft and silkiness of this lash. I do like that. I do admit, I really, really do like that. It's very soft and silky. But this style, I don't know if she's me. I don't think she's me. She all right or whatever, but it's a cute style. Not my favorite. So hopefully there's more better because this is kind of like, it's okay. But I do like the feel of the lash. That is very silky. Oh, it feels so nice and silky. And the lash band is really soft. I feel a little bit, but not too much. But yeah, I like this feeling of it. But the style is just not me. It's okay. Next pair. So guys, these are the style Chic. I think these are cute. They're very curly, like look at that. So curly. I like these. They're not too heavy. These are kind of feather light. They have a little bit of silk, but these are more natural with kind of like a kind of curl, well, very natural with a curl, definitely. But these are a little bit softer They're just a little bit thinner. But I like these. These are kind of like the garter ones, but they're not too curly or not too thick. These are a lot more soft and airy compared to the triple push-up garters, but these are very soft. I don't mind these. These are a really cute kind of style. Now, I will have to probably cut this little curl at the end. Yeah, see that little curl? The little guy right there? Yeah, I'll have to cut. So the other one I didn't have to cut. This one I will have to cut a little bit. So it's been one cut so far, guys. I like it. It's soft, airy, curly, medium to long length. It's really cute. It's like a little curl, but I love it. If you guys can see like the little curly cues, it's so cute. And it's soft. It's like I said, it's not dense. The lash band again is so soft. That's why I can just squeeze right on it. Don't really feel it. Don't feel it when I blink. It's really, really good. I like this one. She's a little curly one. She's really cute. I like this one. This one I like better than Glam. I like this, has that curl. I like that curly cue that these give it. Pretty. I like them. Like I said, I have to cut it, so it's a little bit of a mark, but I do like these. They're very soft and fluttery. Still has a little bit silky, but this feels a little bit more, it's not as silky as the Glam ones, but I like them. Okay, next pair. Alright guys, these are the style Love. Now, let me tell you about these. The band was fine. These are kind of soft. They kind of feel like the Chic ones. They're not too soft. They definitely are thicker, as you can tell, because that crease is not there. You can't see it, and it just literally touches the tops of my brows. These are cute, but I'll tell you one thing. I had to cut this side again. So I'm like, don't want to cut that, but these are gorgeous. But the only thing I realized with these, they look like the chiffon ones. Hold on, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I realized these are very similar to the Naked Drama Lash Couture from Kiss. These are the chiffon ones. These look very, very similar to them. These do have an extra weaving in them that is quite impressive, and it's not as full as these, but I'm gonna show y'all a close up between the two after this so you can compare each. To me, these look like the amplified version of these. So a little more extra volume, but they have almost the same weaving. And that's why I was like, oh. Now these, do I think these are a little more curlier? These are a little more full. I don't think they're curlier per se, but I definitely think these are a lot more, they're a lot more full. Yeah, they have longer, yeah, definitely longer ones, but I swear, like literally these are chiffon just amplified, like with longer strands. I swear, like, and I seen it in the packaging, I said, that looks like chiffon to me. So I feel like they definitely upgraded that fullness of it. I think they just made it fuller because it has the same kind of curl to me, and the weaving in between each, like that pixie with the wispy kind of curl. This one is silky, just like the, I believe the Glam one, the first one I tried. Yeah, this has a silky feel. That does. So that one is softer technically than the chiffon. And I think the bands feel the same way, but these are more silky. Those may be a little more fluff and a little more natural. These are a little more extra drama. I don't mind it. I like how silky these are compared to chiffon though. These are cute. I do like these, even though I had to cut a little bit, but I do actually like these a lot. These would be pretty with a good eye look, especially like a deeper brown, kind of smoked out. That would be pretty. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you the chiffon, this one, versus the Love one in the Max Out collection. Just look at these. Look at the chiffon, and then look at the Love ones. Like, look at that. They do look identical in my opinion. The weaving is the same, but this one has more of the pixie, less hairs in between the thicker areas. This one it's like a little bit more thicker. It's less pixie. But do you see it? I feel like I see it. It's like in there, like they have that same base, that same kind of technique and style, but they just formed it to be a little fuller. But they're both pretty. I just noticed that, that's all. Next pair. Y'all, these are cute. Okay, so this one is Drama. Ooh, these, perfect name. Very, very, very fitting. These is so cute. Okay, it is not silky like the Glam and the Love one. They are not a silky fit. Well, yeah, a little bit. These did feel almost like they almost plastic-like, and I was like, I don't know about that. They do feel a little more stiff. I do feel the band on this one a little bit compared to the other ones, but I don't think I have to necessarily cut these. But these are the biggest ones. So I was like, huh? Usually it's the softer ones I don't have to do, in the higher, you know, more full. I feel like they make it bigger. I don't know why I feel like the lash band is longer, but it's not. Apparently not with this one. I love these. A very fitting name. Now these have so much dimension. Like, look at that. It is literally, these are very wispy, full, just very good. I can't wait to wear these around, definitely like Halloween and stuff. Are these, I mean, I'm gonna wear them before then, because these is cute everyday lashes too, but these are insane. I love these. From Kiss Lash too. Like, look at this. I don't have to even cut these. Look at that. Just, oh. These are bomb. I like these a lot. I don't even know what makeup look I'll do with this, but I don't even care. I don't care. These are so bomb. I love these. These look way too good to be drugstore. And these are limited edition. Stop playing. Make more like these. This one's a little wispy, a little spiky. Yeah, I like these a lot. They are so fluttery. They just make me just, makes me feel extra girly. These are just so cute. Girl, I'm gonna keep doing this all day. Just When I look down, they definitely touched my middle of my brow. But do I care? No, I do not, because these are cute. I think this one and the Chic one is not so silky compared to the Love and the Glam one. I love these. I think out of the whole collection, my favorite, it will have to be this one. Ooh, can you imagine your mask on and just, girl, you know, nothing, just cute. They said 10 times, girl, 25 times. What you talking about? These are cute. They got me obsessed with their drugstore lashes now. One thing I wanted to point out with these lashes too that I actually love with the packaging, all those have a print. So like at the top, snake, leopard, tiger, and then they have diamond. I like the black and white feature on there. I like that. Oh, and another thing I noticed at the bottom of the packaging, all of them, the name of it, it says like this one's are Glam. It says Glam to the max. Would I tell you to grab them? Yes. Would I tell you to grab these, Drama? Yes. Please grab before they go away, because these is bad. I like these. This collection was very, very nice. Well done. It's a small, cute little collection, but I like it. I really do like these. Guys, that was my review over the new Kiss Lash Couture Max Out Limited Edition collection. Leave a comment below. I know y'all be watching, so leave a comment below. Tell me which ones were your favorite, which ones you want to pick up, or there are in that collection I wasn't able to grab. Please let me know, because I will go grab them and I will try them on for you guys. Don't forget as well to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And y'all know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.